My mom had to resign from her post and she didn't have a job anymore, so I had to get a job.
Oh God, it wasn't easy. Because sometimes I feel like I spoil her life. I take something from her. I end up putting money in my life first.
I wanted to do all these great, amazing things, and I knew inside that, something great is gonna come out of me.
A friend of mine who had started training at CareerBox was just like, hey, bring your CV. I went there, dropped off my CV, and they said, stay, you're gonna do an interview. And I said, okay, cool. I did an interview, everything went well. They told me I should come back the following week and I'll start training.
But I think a week into the training, I sat there listening to him talk, and I was just like, oh my God, this guy is about to change my life. It was the one thing he said to us: if you're here right now, it's because you've made decisions in your life that have led you to be in a place where you're this certain age and you don't have a job, you don't have money, you have no sense of security. I was just like, okay, that's it. This guy's gonna change my life, and he did. Being in that 2-week training honestly shift my perspective in so many ways. If you want something, work for it, decide that you want it, and go for it. And that's what I learned. And when I came here, I met people who honestly wanted to help me change my life, and that's what's happening. And I couldn't see it before. I couldn't understand, why am I 25 and working in a call center? I'm not where I'm supposed to be in life. But I'm exactly where I need to be to learn business processes, business systems, business culture, and a business philosophy. You need to be in a place like this. You need to be in an environment like this where you can learn the management of money, management of time, and management of people. I now understand what it takes to lead people. I never had a sense of self-worth and value, and that's what I got from the people here. It was like a spark. You know when you light a match? That was my match. The people around me. You can actually do anything you want to do.
As for a family, what I've observed and see is that CareerBox has opened the doors for her.
Opened me up to myself and the possibilities of what I'm capable of, and I wouldn't trade that experience for anything.
CareerBox made me realize that I can achieve personal excellence. And when I achieve personal excellence, we can achieve collective excellence.
I'm Slindile Mkhize and I'm 25 years old and I live in Mkhize. I got my start at CareerBox.